one-click cleaner is an easy-to-use tool for cleaning connectors in adapters and unmated connectors. Simply insert the one-click cleaner into an adapter and push until a click is heard. The one-click cleaner uses this mechanical pushing action to advance an optical-grade cleaning tape inside the rotating tip. As the tip rotates, the fiber end face is effectively but gently cleaned. The one-click cleaner can be used with SC, ST, FC, LC, and MU connectors and will clean over 500 end faces. It is small enough to fit into a shirt pocket and makes a great addition to any fiber optic cleaning kit.